Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to extract all the data of the manholes from the AutoCAD drawing to the Excel to use it for the further calculations automatically, just 2 clicks. First I'm going to type here EXTMNH. Here as you see Excel popped up. This is blank Excel file. I'm going to split the screen. First I'm going to select this one and then I'm gonna select this one, select lens. This is the lens between two manholes, and as you see the color of the text has been changed to red, and then diameter and slope. As you see here, all the data has been extracted at the correct manner. Okay, for easting, northing, and west for the manhole, and then the diameter of the pipe length, and the slope of the pipe. Here, the manhole name, as you see here, the manhole name, easting, northing, elevation for the center, and the ground level here the same, invert level the same, the depth of the manhole 1.47, and the type. And as you see, all the data has been extracted to the same one. And let's see the second manhole. I'm gonna select here the second manhole. I'm gonna select the manhole itself, and then select the length of the pipe between the two manholes, and the diameter and slope. As you see here, manhole 8, easting, northing, and the ground level, invert level in here 4.08, and invert level out 3.95, and the depth and all the same has been exactly the same. I'm gonna speed up the video to show you the final vision of this extraction for all the manholes in the drawing. And as you see, I have extracted all the manholes here, okay, for all the data, for whether it's single invert level or double invert level for in and out for the backdrop. And thank you for watching.